Hi guys, welcome back to today's budget video. I know this is a little late than usual, but there's been crazy things going on in my life, so I haven't had a chance to film this, but we are filming it today. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, so this is going to be for May week 2. And yeah, let's just get into all of the stuffing and whatnots. So of course I have my notebook here, and we are going to turn to this week. So see, we have week 2. I'll zoom in just a little bit so we can fill out these envelopes. So for weekly spending, we're only going to be doing groceries and eating out, so no Costco for this week. For groceries, we're going to do $140, and then for eating out is going to get its usual $40. And that is for my weekly spending. And then for my sinking funds, we're gonna do the usual $140 for savings. My fun funds is going to get its usual $20. Christmas, last week I bumped it up to $25. So it's going to get $25. Car maintenance is going to get its $25. And then beauty will get its $25. And then I do have a new cash envelope for this week that I'm starting, is just home. So this is if I want to buy anything, you know, home decor, home organization stuff, anything like that. And I'm going to kickstart off that one with $100 just to have a good chunk of change in this envelope, to just start us off. That may not be what I put in every week, but that's what we're going to start off with for you know, the start of that cash envelope. But before we start the stuffing of the envelopes, I did want to kind of go over this bill pay thing. If you remember, or if you saw last, I think it was last week's video or maybe the week before, but I did this bill pay thing. It was probably the week before because this is for May. So I just wanted to go through and check mark all the things that I have paid for. I'll zoom you guys in so you can see. So I did pay the car insurance. So I'm not going to put the date I paid them. I'm just going to put like a little check mark saying that they have been paid. Phone I paid. This one I paid. And then I have paid both mine and my husband's credit cards. And that is all that's going to come out for the first month of May. You know, so that would have been, you know, first paycheck, and then the next one. So probably the 4th week I will show you the rest of the stuff has come out. But that's all for this little piece of paper. Okay, so I'm going to, well, zoom you guys back out a little bit. Get my cash ready, all laid out and pretty for you, and then we can start stuffing some envelopes. I got lots of envelopes now. So yeah, let's get that started. Okay, so now we have our envelopes and all of our cash. So I'm just doing hundreds, 20s, and 5s today. That seems to be what we need to do. Some of these envelopes will not be being stuffed today, but I will let you know which ones have not been stuffed. So first one, we have savings, and it is going to get $140. So that's going to give us a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, no. Counting by tens and not 20s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that's 5, 2, 4, 6. So I have $560 in my savings. I'll do that little piece of paper here in a minute. So today is 5/12. Put $140 in there, which brings me to $560, which isn't bad. It is not bad at all. Okay, so that one is my savings. We'll just set her to the side. Next is Christmas, and that is going to get 20 and 5. Oh, they don't want to fall down. Okay, so that... Okay, maybe I didn't do 25 last time. That's alright. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 20, 40, and 5. So $145. Oh, look at this thing. Okay, yeah, so I only put 20 in last time. I just wanted to bump it up because I need to catch up from the weeks that I missed out on. So I totally 145, I think. Yeah, 145 for the Christmas. I mean, it's not a whole lot considering we're already halfway through May, but it's, you know, it's better to have some and not enough, you know, or, you know, it's better to have a little bit. So next is Beauty, and that is going to get 25. And this was an envelope I started last week, and I haven't gotten a little card for it yet. So we have a total of 20, 45, and 50. And this was just so that I could get my hair done, because I'm looking a bit gray and it's looking a bit sad. Next is car maintenance. So this is for, you know, car registration, oil changes, new tires, anything that we need for the car. And that's getting 20 and 5, which gives me a total of, so 2, 4, so 20, 45, 50. 50 in that one too, which isn't bad because that's like an oil change right there. So that's good. And then this envelope, kids, is not getting anything this week. So actually I need to write in here because I did spend some of it. Some kids lost some things, and so I had to dip into it. If you moms catch my drift. So 5 and 12. So I see 2, 4. I don't even, so I think it was $8. Let's see, I had 24 and I now have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So if I did my math correctly, it was $6, so minus 6, which gives me the 18. Okay. But we're not going to put any more in here until for right now, because there's still quite a bit in there, so we'll keep that in. Sorry if I keep going out of frame or anything, and if that annoys you, I'm really sorry. Okay, so next up is Fun Funds, and that is going to get a 20. I'm glad this is getting built back up, so now I have a total of 20, 40, 60. So that's like a good, you know, date night or whatever have you. So put plus 20, which gives me a total of $60. So there's that. Car loan, we will not be doing this this week. That will be next week. because this is bi-weekly instead of weekly. And then home is my new envelope, and that is going to get $100. And then so that's going to start a new thing here. This is a different kind of thing. To be honest, I don't even know if you can see this stuff. I'm really sorry if you can't see me writing what I'm writing. I'm just writing the date, how much I put in, and how much I have in total. So that is getting the $100 in that. So with this stuff, you know, the stuff that's my weekly spending, and I've been saying I am not going to be using cash. I have decided to start using cash this week because I realized that when I'm not using cash, I tend to spend more at the grocery store, and I don't like that. I don't like that I can't keep track of it, and also anything that I don't use in these 3 envelopes by the end of the week actually go into my savings envelope, and so that's being sad, and so I need to use envelopes because I just can't do it without. So Eat Out gets its normal $40, and again, none of these have cash in them, so we're starting fresh this week, which we usually do start fresh each week. So but you know, I would show you that, oh, it has an extra $7, so you would show me, I would show you put that into my savings envelope, but you know, we're starting fresh. So Eat Out gets 40. Groceries gets 140, so that's the last of that. So, you know, 1, 20, and 40. And that is going to go into my groceries, which, you know, is like also my toiletries and, you know, any sort of thing like that. And then, of course, my Costco envelope is getting nothing this week. Okay guys, that is all of my cash envelopes stuffed and ready to go. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button. We are doing fabulously on this channel with the subscribers. I'm so happy and excited. I would love for it to just keep growing and growing, so yes, so please subscribe and help me out. But if you don't want to, that's fine too. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!